Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over a brief rundown of how to sign up for a visa for Dubai or the UAE online via the onlinedubaiVisa.com website. So once you go to this website, you're going to be greeted by this. So I am a citizen of, so select your country, right? So for example, you're from, I don't know, Austria and traveling from, say, Austria again. Of course, you need to be consistent with your stuff. Click on search. There you go. So here, once you click search, this is going to be your pretty much your pricing, right? So on what type of visa you're going to have. So choose your visa type for Austrian nationals living in Austria, for example. So single entry, multiple entry, transit visa, job seeker visa, or freelance visa. A lot of people go single entry. So this is going to be the pricing for each and what you can expect from the service type, right? So once you've chosen this one, right, click apply. There you go. And here you need to fill in all the information you have. You're a citizen of, right, traveling from, your full name, your email address, marital status, passport number, profession, mobile number, or WhatsApp number, travel date, your purpose to travel. For example, you want to go to Dubai and watch, I don't know, horse racing or whatever event is happening. And then after that, you need to upload certain things like your passport, your photo, and other documentation or identification that you may need to use. After that, you just need go to the payment option after your passport has been screened and cleared. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.